I promise you, this is the last Mazda video, and it's coming up next. So I have good news for this car. This thing is sold. That's right. It's already sold. They haven't brought me the money yet, but it's my cousin, and she's buying this thing because she got in a wreck with her car. Her car got T-boned, or somebody pulled out in front of her. I don't remember the whole story, but anyway, somebody wore her out, more or less. And she doesn't have anything to drive. And this thing is super clean and in super good shape. And you see, it's got 87,000 miles. But now, how did we get here with this? That's the thing. You know, we started on this car, and I'll take you back through the videos. We started on this car, we brought it here. It was just covered in moss, covered in moss. And then it sat here in my driveway under that tree right there here in my yard for a year, and I didn't even fool with it then. Then I decided, you know, I could use the money from this car, so we started back over the winter. We diagnosed the motor, went through, and we knew they kept saying something wrong with the motor, so we looked at it, looked down in the motor, and the motor was junk. It had ring scratches all through it, oil all on top of all the cylinders. The motor was junk. So that was the thing. So we went to Ohio, right outside of I don't remember the name of the area there. It's right outside of Arlington, Ohio there, but where the prison is. We went there and got another motor from a Red Escape, same year, or maybe a year older. Had like 90,000 miles on it. And we got that motor and brought it back. And we proceeded to do a motor swap. We pulled this one out, and it was a headache, I'm not gonna lie. Bolts that go both directions on a transmission. And all kinds of stuff you just couldn't reach and stuff like that. And we got that out. We got the old motor out. We took it, got all the parts we could get off of it. We took it down to the scrapyard and got a few $100 out of that. Then we took and we got the new motor and put it in. We had to swap some parts off and stuff like that. We left the air conditioner compressor. We never took the air conditioner compressor loose, but we took the old motor out. We swapped all the parts we needed on that. We had a few things that we had to buy new. We got it in there, the radiator started leaking, so we had to put a radiator in it. We got that in there and fixed, and new radiator in there. And well, obviously we had to do a new battery, and then we had to do, we had to weld the exhaust and put a new manifold on the back of the exhaust, because that was all cut out where somebody stole the catalytic converter on it. And we just put a new cat on it, but there's a resonator, and we just put a straight pipe. It's a little loud, but you know, it's not bad. Kept hearing a roaring in the back. We took the brake drum off. It was just rust, so we didn't have no issues. Up and under the car was super clean. We had a ding, and we had a ding in the back that was actually pretty substantial, and we used some paintless dent tools and got that one out. We didn't change the tires. We just left them alone because they had good tread, even though they had a little vibration to it. Took it for a spin, started having another leak, ended up being a power steering. And we fought with this power steering for those. We put 2 new seals on it. We ended up putting a new pump on it, and that didn't fix it. Come to find out, the high pressure hose has another seal down in them that you can't see. So we ended up putting a high pressure hose on it, and that fixed it. That was the last thing we done to it. We fixed that. We detailed this thing in and out. It was nasty inside. We cleaned the seats and stuff, and we didn't get it perfect, but it was tons better. And placed the tail light bulbs. We polished the headlights. The headlights were just nasty. You couldn't even see out of them, and now they look like brand new. We replaced a piece of trim that was missing on the front, and that's really all we done to this car. But it's been a long journey, and now it's sold, and we're making about $1,000 out of it. So, you know, realistically, I know I've worked on it for like weeks, and you've been on here for weeks, but realistically, hours wise, I work 2 and 3 hours sometimes on these cars, maybe 4 or 5. So realistically, I probably don't have a week's worth of work in this car. You know, and that's detailing it and everything. So what we sold it for, we got about $1,500 in this car total. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more. I'm not counting every little figure. But we ended up selling this car. She's giving me $2,600 for this car. And unless something falls through, you know, it's gone. So we're making $1,000 profit. Well, I mean, it's been a job, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not been that many hours of work. If we had this sitting here and working on it every day, we'd had it done in a week. It's just that, and I bounce around to other projects. So, but I can't find anything that's not fixed on it. So I'm gonna tell her it's ready to come get. And we lost 2 lug nuts in the process, so I don't know where those went. We'll have to get her 2 of them too. But we'll tell her to come get the thing, and she's getting a load of parts with it too. I'm just gonna throw those in because I couldn't really move them on eBay, so I don't want to scrap them, don't want to sell them, don't want them in my way. So we'll put those in the back and let her take them too. But hopefully she enjoys it. Hopefully it treats her good. I mean, it is as is, but hopefully it treats her good. It ain't perfect, but for an 05, it's a pretty good little car. So there we go. We'll get this one's done. We'll get another one in here to turn and burn and get it out of the way. We'll get this El Camino probably up and going real soon now, because we'll have a little fundage for that, and we'll just keep doing this in our spare time until it becomes something better and bigger. But that's it. That's this video. This is the journey with the Mazda. It's gone. Probably be gone by the time you watch this. So till then, just keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep rigging things up. It might be hard work, but guess what? You can see results with it.